Tonight, it's all about celebrating good friends and good times. We are kicking things off with a special dinner celebration. Afterwards, we'll be definitely heading to the Buju Banton show. Big up Buju Banton. My husband will be joining us afterwards, but right now he's on dad duty. Our babysitter was not able to make it on time, so yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. We'll just be having lots and lots of fun, good vibes, good times. All right, see you guys later. So guys, we just arrived at the Simpson Restaurant, the famous Jamaican spot in Brooklyn. We are going to the Barclays Center right after, and it's literally across the street. I don't know if you can see it. We're literally across the street, so once we're done eating, we're gonna head over. So yeah, I can't wait to see what they have to offer inside.
Not the real vlogger.
We're not a real vlogger.
Let's try it again. Okay. One more time.
Happy birthday, everyone! Happy birthday!
What do you guys think? This one? This one? I love it. Great. Beautiful. Line. Why are you not in the line?
The line is long. Standing on the line.
So we're standing on this line for the Buju concert. Stacey and just came from the restaurant, no food for me. And the line is long. This is a long line.
No, this is general admission. Floor is over there. This is general admission line.
It's a long line. So I guess we're in the general admission line.
One over here.
Oh! So the rest is Kelly. So the rest is Kelly. That's one of our subscribers.
Enjoy!
Say hi to your subscriber, Kelly.
Annoying.
People recognizing you. People recognizing you. And you're not going to say hi to your subscriber. You didn't take a picture with your
Somebody did that on the
You
cruise.
didn't take a picture?
Somebody recognized me on the cruise, and I was like, oh no! But she was so happy. I should have picked her.
You should have taken a picture with this friend.
Oh, she didn't want to do all that.
She wanted it. I'm telling you, she wanted it. Oh, she did want it. Stacey, did she want it?
Alright, I don't know.
Yeah, she did want it.
I don't know if she wanted it. She said hi.
This line is long.
Yeah, the line is very long.
Before it's wrapped around. It's wrapped around?
Yeah, it's going to the building wrapped around.
The security guard said if you're on the general admission, this is the line. So we're gonna
I guess we're on the right line.
Standard.
What you had for dinner?
I had brown stew dish with rice.
Okay, I had no dinner, so you left. No man, you left without dinner.
Oh my god, I know that's wrong.
Somebody's breaking the line.
Except this line shouldn't say it right here.
So we got here and we thought we were at the door, but we gotta go all the way up and come back down. If I joined the line, you guys would have, you know, been better off. You guys would have been
Why
in
you
it
didn't
already.
join the line?
I was just waiting for you guys. I wanted to watch you guys come out.
No kidding. That's funny. Instead of joining the line, you waited for us to watch us come out.
Yeah, exactly.
What happened when you were leaving the house?
Nothing. So we're at the Buju show and we're gonna get some cocktail. Stacey, where are you gonna go?
No idea. I had a passion fruit cocktail earlier and it was very good at the Simpsons.
Okay.
So I'm gonna see if they have that.
Stacey, they're all the way down the line.
Yeah.
I guess people are going up. I don't know. I'll see what they have when I go over there.
Okay.
I'll see what they have. That's the burgers. No beer. I'll probably take like
Want a beer?
a Chardonnay or something.
Yeah, you're a Chardonnay kind of guy.
Yeah, I'll take a glass of Chardonnay. You could have burger. You could have
No, I ate already.
different
I'm
stuff.
so full.
Oh yeah? Why you guys so late?
We had a good dinner.
What time you got there?
We got there at maybe we got there 5:45, but the reservation was actually for 6.
Okay.
So it's a good time, and I would left there like 7:45.
Okay, good.
That's good.
That's good. Looks like a lot of people here. We're gonna see if it's gonna be so loud.
Yeah.
A lot of screaming going on in there.
Huh?
The DJ is screaming a lot.
I know. So they're getting ready to start.
This drink is not strong at all. It's not strong.
Yeah, that's true. Probably should have put 2 shots in
Yeah, I
there.
know that, right? Oh, cocktail is over here. We didn't have to go that there, that there. It was like cocktail that way.
Didn't know.
We could have come right here.
Oh my God, this is
It's so weak, right?
this is just like
So
a drink.
watered down. 19.
And justice should be
Like 4 or 5 blocks.
not your business, not my business. Give yourself a round of applause once again for coming on early. Yeah, DJ Rod, take it.
Stacey and Kim, she have no glasses, no contacts. And the stage is right there.
Jamaicans are always
I don't know
fashionable,
what you're
baby.
gonna say.
You can't help it.
You like what?
Miss a
You like what? The 6th row?
On the show.
From the ground floor?
Now,
Huh? I don't know.
who can travel? Can I remember saying that?
want to go over with my luggage. I won't be smooth, it's me on the luggage. Looking at the dude extremely cold-blooded. You want to ride, make sure you can. Can't take a piece, man. Say no, man. Always on the road. You didn't know that I wrote this song. This next song I'm gonna do, I can bet you. You wanna bet? I bet you $100. Watch this. More wanted to go for the killing. Me up and down from a She says,
it's been a while, truly. And I want to say, that can't stop you, you're gonna need us. That can't hold you down. Me and me gonna look and see me. When I'm in the phone, she don't want to hold this in. Also now they come down, you see me. One more good match up. But you wanna ride that speed. Cause you're gonna live. Well, everything I'm looking at tonight. Well, what are we gonna do? We're gonna let me off in my load. Well, what are we gonna do? We're gonna let me off in my load. I wanna do the water war. I wanna talk. I'm trying to remember what's the war. I want to find the ladies in the bar. I want to go on that. I know the last. Long time we don't do it. The girl wants it, just let it go. We go to find me, don't feel it all. The man right there, she lose control. So I know that game we got soul. So come on, let's fix up. I'm trying to drink, I wanna eat it, go to mommy's friend. What I want to do is make sure it's not in style. I know the rest, watch all your boss. Can't go to the phone, let's go. shooting. What up is somebody down? Knock your head. What a champion, watch your jump. Is what somebody got? I'm gonna find you. You're not going to want to be high. I'm gonna see you. You're so good at night. No matter what it is. Let's get down the man. Oh, family. Y'all get home safe. We go to 1007 Utica Avenue. All goes into one. Ladies free. All right. 1078
Flatbush. K restaurant. Yeah, come have some drinks on.
After 41 Utica Avenue, you going?
Yes.
Okay, okay, good. The show was alright. It's what I expected, you know. I expected it.
Yeah,
You know?
it's great.
Yeah, it's good. I expected it.
It's great. I wish we had more features.
Alright, so the show is over. And I meet a college friend right here. I was like, want to say anything, Ross?
Yeah,
How was the show?
Yeah. The show Irish still, you know.
Show Irish.
Yeah, we don't really have no complaints, you know.
Yeah, definitely.
It's been a while since it's been over. Everything blessed. Yeah, one love.
Definitely, guys. I was with this guy. I was in the show, and I saw this person behind me. And when I came out, I was like, I have to say something because I know him.
Yeah.
And when we talk, we went to college together.
Yeah, all this time in the show.
All this time in the show.
Standing behind him and didn't realize.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
But I was like, I'm not gonna leave without saying what's up. I know we're doing. That's it. You know what I mean? So this is it. Good to see you. And definitely.
Peace and love.
Peace and love.
Yeah,
all right. Bless up. All right. Cool.
That's me, and it's been years.
All right, guys. You ready?
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Thank you for watching our show. Please subscribe and see you next time. Bye.
Sit down, your
That's
trip.
enough videos.